Deplorable road was reported to have been seen this afternoon here on Sunday. This is a visual of the lifeline of Sarbong Rongpar village under Surupothar constituency. In fact, the road turned aside from PWD inspection Bungalow Road in Hanjang Langso and connects to Ramnagar RJ Road. We have also been informed by the locals that sand and gravel had been dumped earlier for the construction, but it has left not whole. It is also reported that the water canal on the road have also been shattered due to terrible condition of the road. We have also been told that the large size of gravels were also been put on the road, which made more inflexible for the locals in communication. Now it has surpassed couple of years since the government has stepped into, but the people could pictures what kind of expansions has stepped in. As a matter of fact, this is not only the place where you see such horrifying road in the district. The likes of Borpung, Tarapung, Langlokso, Khanduli in border area, these are some of the places where the locals have been facing even worse as this. Reports has also says that not even a single piece of gravel have been put on for the construction of road in Borpung area or Tarapung area till today, where it is considered to be the most ignored location of Karbi Anglong district. If it is indeed the most deserted place of the district, why the concerned authority is reluctant to plan a special package for Borpung and Tarapung as a special package made for 4-line and flyover infrastructure, which is to be constructed in Diphupuli pretty soon. So now we have to wait and watch that at what extent that the concerned authority is going to look upon the condition of the district. But so far, these inconveniences and implications have, of course, brought out in the public domain.